friends, welcome back to the studio. For today's video, we're assembling a new DIY workbench kit that we've just released. If you want, you can find out more information about that in the description box down below, or stick around for the assembly. So when you receive your kit, the large stuff is going to come pre-assembled, like the top and both of the leg pieces, and all of the smaller parts are going to come pre-drilled with a lot of the hardware pre-installed as well. The first thing you're going to have to do is attach the lower shelf to both of the legs, starting with the two boards that have the shelf notches cut. For this part of the kit, it's going to come with a number of bolts and barrel nuts, and you'll just insert the barrel nuts into the pre-drilled holes and then thread the bolts through to attach both of the shelf pieces. And then before you install the other side of your shelf, you're going to want to install the shelf bottom in between first. At this point, we're going to bring the workbench top back over to our work surface, and then we're going to attach the work base to the top as well. The base is going to attach to the top with a set of lag bolts and washers, and you'll need to use a 13mm wrench to attach them. Now that the main body of the workbench is assembled, we're going to assemble the drawer, and it's going to come in 5 pieces. Everything is going to come pre-milled, pre-drilled with some hardware pre-installed as well. So we're going to start with attaching the sides to the drawer face, then inserting the drawer bottom into the drawer slots, and then we'll attach the back of the drawer last. The way that this drawer is going to attach is with just some simple wooden drawer slides. When you attach these, make sure that you are attaching them with the drawer in between them. That way you won't have any issues with interference afterwards, and they'll just attach to the bottom of the tabletop. The last step is to attach the second of the vises. The first one will already come pre-installed. You'll also receive some additional accessories with the kit as well. Now that the kit is assembled, let's take a closer look at different ways you can set this up. So that wraps it up for today's build. I really like this little workbench. It's got a small footprint, so it'll fit in really well with any like DIY home shop that you've got. And it's got a whole lot of different capabilities. Both vises will allow you to clamp onto things, any projects that you need to work on in a small space. It's also got the drawer and the shelf down below for extra storage. And the top is already pre-drilled so that you can work on a number of different things. So if you want to learn more about this, check out the link in the description box down below. And as always, be sure to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll see you next time on the Builder Studio.